Thought it was Fiona.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you.
See ya.
Bye. Hello my olives, welcome back to my channel. I know I'm a little bit late with the monthly favorites. I wanted to post earlier in the week, but your girl is not on point this week. Make sure to check out my January favorites if you haven't already, just to see what else I've been loving. But yeah, let's get into it. I was lucky enough to try a lot of new products this month. If you don't know much about me, I'm a content creator and I get sent a lot of things from brands for my job. Let's start with hair products. I had to include Clever Curl. I got sent one of their creams last year and I never really got around to actually using it much. I think I used it once, but they sent me their whole range and I was keen to try it because all their descriptions say it's all for dry, damaged hair and they're all hydrating products. But I have used products in the past that say they're hydrating and they dried my hair out and they're not as nourishing as they could be for dry hair like mine. But this range did not let me down. I did do a Instagram video with them, but this is not sponsored. I really wanted to include them on my favorites because I've used their whole styling products and shampoo and conditioner for the past 3 wash days. I just think they're so easy to use because of the pumps and they're also such a large, you get so much for your money. So that's the cleanser, and then I've been using the rich conditioner. So yeah, it says for coarse, thirsty hair, which is what my hair is. And it's also Australian made, vegan, 100% curly girl approved, and the bottles are refillable. These are my 2 favorite products, the styling products. The Dry Weather Clever Gel is really good. It has a good hold, but it's not sticky. It's not like a tacky gel. It glides nicely onto the hair. And then we have the Curl Cream, which is really juicy. It makes your curls very juicy. And then we have the Curl Cream, and it provides long-lasting maximum moisture and definition, and I liked using this especially on my ends, so I'll put it all through my hair, put the gel on, and then also add an extra application of this on my ends. I feel like it just creates a nice cast and it's very hydrating. Another hair product that I've been using a lot in February, and it's kind of gotten a lot of attention on TikTok and a lot of people are asking about it, is this bun extension. It's from Insert Name Here. Insert Name Here is a hair extension company. I believe it's American based, and they collabed with me when I first started growing my Instagram. So when I had maybe like 10k followers, they like sent me some wigs and ponytails, and I have loved them ever since. I truly love their products. This isn't sponsored, but they gifted me their new curly bun. It looks weird holding it like this. I got the shade Dark Brown. It is a bit red at times in the light, but it's pretty close to my hair. It's a bit more red. I'm going to try the Black Brown shade next and see if that works better with my hair, but this is the Dark Brown. You can kind of tie it and customize it when it's on your head, so it can be a bit smaller or it can be nice and loose like this. I'll do a video on how I actually apply this and create the slicked up bun look, but you basically put it onto your own natural bun and clip it in. It's really easy, and that's been one of my favorite hair products this month because when my curls aren't nice but I still want to have a curly pineapple or a curly bun, that is just such a quick, easy solution. And I keep them stored in these boxes that they came with. I also have the straight bun version, so if I want to switch up my look a bit and use a straight bun, it's the same process. I did a little photo shoot with Clarins this month in February, and they are a massive skincare brand all across the world. They have a long history. I believe they're French and they started back in the 50s, but they were kind enough to give me a little gift bag at the end of the shoot. So I was gifted their Double Serum, which is one of their most famous products, so let me know if you guys have used it, but I've already used a bit. You can see I love the smell of it. It feels really good on the skin. I also been using this hydrating multi-protection mist as kind of a toner, so after I cleanse and exfoliate, I'll spray my face with this. It's just very refreshing. All their products smell so good. When they were putting it on my face at the shoot, I was like, I'm gonna go home and buy these products because they smell so good and they feel really refreshing. And then they kindly gifted me this stuff. And then also the Eye Hydrate Cream, which you can leave on as a mask on your eyes as well. And I've been using this at night, so this is my new go-to moisturizer for nighttime, the Clarins Multi-Active Nuit. I've been trying to get onto that anti-aging routine. I'm turning 25 this year, and yeah, Some people may think it's silly that I'm already trying to do anti-aging skincare, but I think it's smart to get onto it early. My curls are frizzing up because of the rain. It's been raining non-stop. I had to pick up this mask for my skincare favorites of the month. It's the Kiehls Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. I saw this raved about on TikTok, so I went and bought it myself to try. And I've been doing it so much, maybe like 2 or 3 times a week, which I don't know if that's too much. But it feels really good on my skin. It feels like it gets really deep into your pores. I love a clay mask. I have quite a few in my collection. I just think clay masks work really well for my skin type. But yeah, it's supposed to minimize pores, and I just want to get a poreless, you know, seamless complexion. So this was very appetizing to me and I've been loving it. You might have seen me talk about Sunday Riley because they gifted me some stuff on one of my vlogs, I think. And I have been loving their stuff as well. This cleansing balm, especially for taking my makeup off at the end of the day. I've just been, basically I'll take a scoop and like rub it on my face while I have makeup on, and you can see the makeup kind of melting off, and it smells amazing. It's very luxurious, you can tell by the formula. So yeah, this is the Blue Moon Tranquility Cleansing Balm. Also, their lactic acid treatment is really good. I was told by someone at a shoot that I should stop exfoliating so much because I told them I basically use an exfoliant every day, and they were like, you need to reduce that to 3 times a week. So I've been very conscious of that. So yeah, their lactic acid exfoliating treatment is really good, but I'm going to stop using it every day because apparently that's really bad for your skin. Like, it thins the skin barrier or something. Let's move on to makeup products. So I bought this Urban Decay all-nighter spray from Mecca. I actually used this when I was a teenager, when I would go clubbing and stuff, so it's kind of nostalgic, but I decided to re-buy it because I saw an influencer on TikTok raving about it, how it's the only spray that keeps your makeup on. So I was like, I need to get it because lately I've been finding my makeup rubs off really easily and I get oily really easily. So I've been using that a lot, and I can feel it's already like half empty just from a month. But yeah, it's a good setting spray. I feel like I still get oily and I have to powder up, but maybe that's just my skin and because I do a lot of skincare. But it has a good smell and yeah, it does the job. The highlighter I'm wearing today is stunning. It's this Benefit Tickle. It's just called Tickle, but it's a kind of iridescent goldish shimmery pinky highlighter, and I've only recently picked it up. It's been in my drawer for ages, but I've only recently started wearing it on my cheeks. A lot of the time I don't wear highlighter. It's just if I feel like it, if I want an extra glamorous glow, but it's so pigmented. Love this highlighter. I'm adding it to the favorites. A lot of my makeup stuff is still the same as my January favorites. I'm wearing the Born This Way foundation, of course. I'm gonna add these Ardell Wispies eyelashes to my favorites. My eyelashes have been so horrible since I stopped getting eyelash extensions, because I got eyelash extensions maybe 4 times in a row or something over summer, and I've decided to stop and try grow my natural lashes again because they have gotten so short and brittle and they don't curl right now because they're so short. So I've been wearing a lot of fake eyelashes and I just wanted to add that to my list. You can get them from Priceline, Woolworths, but I think they're a nice lash from not being too dramatic and not being too natural. They're just a nice in between. I'm wearing them today, but I've cut them in half and I'm just put them on my ends, if that makes sense. I did a collab with Nude by Nature, which is so exciting. This is their HydraSerum Tinted Skin Perfector. So it's kind of like a tinted moisturizer, but it's a serum. And I just thought that was really interesting and I thought I would love it because I love that kind of glowy natural finish. And yeah, I should be posting a reel or a TikTok soon about this, so keep your eyes peeled. But it's more for those natural days when you don't feel like wearing makeup and you just want to do your skincare and then add a nice tint on top. It dries really nicely on the skin, it makes you look really glowy, and the packaging is really cute too. Adding that to the list. I'm actually surprised how many comments I get about jewelry, especially on TikTok. I want to say that my favorite jewelry of the month is the Silver Collective dainty earrings that they sent me. I don't know if you can see it because of my hair, but this one has a chain going down to my second piercing and then it's connected at my tragus. Is that called a tragus? But I've just found a love for these kind of more simple, delicate earrings this month. and I've gotten so many compliments on these whenever I wear them out. Yeah, we love a little dainty moment. I'm a changed woman. I usually love gold, big jewellery. So yeah, the Silver Collective is a favourite for the month. I've got their ring on as well. Also Ana Luisa, of course. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. So pretty. I also have some other accessories and clothing items that I'll show you next. How cute's this bag? I bought it from ASOS. It's like a nice suede material, and these are my colours. That's my ultimate favourite colour. I think in my last favourites videos I had a jacket this colour. I got a lot of furniture this colour, and obviously I love brown. Brown is a big love of mine. I love wearing it. I love accessorizing with it, and then also these nice beiges. Like, you can't go wrong with these neutral tones. I just love a good 90s style shoulder bag. I actually made an outfit with this, and I had a jacket this color, a top this color, pants this color. Like, I matched my outfit to this bag, so keep an eye out for that outfit. I'll probably be posting that soon. One of my favorite stores this month has been Universal Store. This is not sponsored, I've bought everything myself. In particular, their basic baby tees. So they have these t-shirts, these cropped t-shirts in all different colors. I have the black, white, brown, red, green, and now I have this cobalt blue. And I'm a big cropped t-shirt girl. I basically wear them every day. If I'm going out, I'll pick up a crop t-shirt and jeans. And it's just good to have different color options, so I can match this with like colorful shoes or a different bag. And I just like the stretch and the soft material. I think it's 2 for $50 when you get them from Universal. So that's the red as well. But yeah, I basically have every color in this. So if you see me wearing a crop t-shirt, that's where it's from. This blue mesh t-shirt I'm wearing is also from Universal. The brand is Lioness. Another accessories store that I've been obsessed with is Poppy Listman. You've probably seen them around, but I've been loving this red bag in particular. I love the gold detailing. I love bags like this. I just think it adds a bit of street style to any outfit if you wear it across your outfit like that. And I like matching it with red sneakers. The latest one I got was this brown one. As I said, I love wearing brown. I just think this could be nice with an all black outfit or matching it with my brown Jordans. What I love about it is the gold detailing, because I feel like a lot of bags are silver and I'm more of a gold gal. Yeah, I just think these bags are so cool. They're great quality. They are a bit pricey, but they're very unique and the colors are amazing. I'm waiting for the blue to come back in stock. Actually, I need to stop. I have too many already. I hope you liked this video. If you have any more questions about the products I've shown today, please feel free to leave them down below. If you want to know more about my favorite lipstick or favorite makeup and hair products, there are more in my previous favorites video for January. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It means the world to me, and thank you so much for your support. As always, please let me know which videos you want to see next on my channel. I will see you next time.